Look at this shit, guys. Like, shit is getting fucking serious. I'm waiting for the flying cars and shit. It's just for my fans, my friends, familia. They know what the fuck I went through up in this bitch. Skies, you really can't tell from the skies, but looking down the block, where you can see from the trees in the back of us, what the fuck is going on? I guess this is what you can call a before video. Shit is fucking wet. And I guess I'll do the video afterwards, after we survive this bitch. But you ain't care enough. You don't stop at my click. Love you guys. I heard somebody screaming. Someone must have got killed. Well, guys.
Who was screaming?
I don't know. I guess somebody must have fucking fell off a cliff. Oh shit. I don't know. I heard somebody screaming too, but I don't know what the fuck it was. It's over there. Came from over there, guys. So, all my CT family, my friends, my clique, y'all be safe and keep us posted. Don't forget inbox us if y'all want to come chill. Friends stick together.